I've just connected my code with my phone.
Okay, no problem. So, what we were talking? So actually, that's why I'm really, very much impressed by you because of your positivity and because of your talent, because of
Thank you.
your efforts.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that's good, and definitely, if I come to Delhi anytime, I would like to see you. And
Sure, sure.
so, because actually, it's my nature always to be in touch with good people, and to be touch good. I mean, what I mean to say when I say good, I want, actually, the definition of good for me is when a person is honest. The first thing is that honest in what sense? Means the person speaks what he has here. But sometimes the people speak something else, but they have different words here or different things here. But when they speak the same thing, what they have in their heart, that I like. Even they even abuse me, no problem. But they are abusing because they have the same thing here for me. They are not hiding anything. But some of the people, they talk to you with honeyed word, but they have something bad for you in their heart.
Right.
So that's the first thing. When the people, they are very honest with you. And the second thing, the positive. They always look positive. They're always busy in something or some activity. Oh, do that, you do that, you go there, you do that. Means they are always busy. They don't have time to think for the negativity.
Exactly right.
They are always positive. Oh, this is the project. You do that, you do that, you do that, you do it by this, and that should be completed in that much time, or whatever. Means you are just discussing the things which are positive.
Right.
You are not talking, oh yeah, today, I felt pain, stomach pain. And then I went to doctor, yeah. Doctor actually asked me to take rest. These are negative things. Okay, no problem. This is the part of our life. If you have pain in your stomach, you go to doctor, you take medicine, no problem. But why are you expressing or discussing all these things in detail with others? You can discuss that thing with your doctor only. Okay,
Right.
you have discussed that I have pain and this is that much severe, and give me some medicine or treatment. That's all. You may discuss, or you should discuss that with your doctor in detail or with your family members.
Right.
Not with your friends,
Right.
not with your clients, not with anyone else. Even these are the weaknesses. We should not discuss all these things with others.
Right.
Even you should not tell others what medicine you take. It is sad. You should not disclose such things to others. What you eat, why you eat, when you eat, what you drink. Of course, these are the common things, but still, these are some of the confidential things which are not to be disclosed. कि मैं कौन सी दवाई लेता हूँ, like that. या मुझे कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है, like that. Okay, so let's move to next. I am speaking only. I expect you to speak. Okay, so are you a good driver? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm a good driver, definitely. I drive safely when it's need to drive little fast, then I drive little fast, not as much as fast. I drive safely, and I drive always in control in myself, control, controlling the situation.
Okay, means for how long can you drive in a stretch? Means for 200 kilometers, for 300 kilometers.
I have driven.
I,
I have drove.
I have driven. Yeah.
Yeah, I have driven um, 1,000 plus, but not in a one stretch.
No
Like
worries.
like
I know that. May you
I
take some stoppage, you have some tea, coffee, or cold drink, and
yeah,
then
right,
you take rest, and then you go ahead. Everybody does that actually.
right.
In one stretch, you cannot go because you need water. Sometimes you go to toilet. Sometimes you are hungry. You need something to
Basically,
eat.
my one of my group in my group has a five. I have a five friends who go anywhere. Let's make a plan and go there and there. And in my group, we are two. We are two friends who drive only, and I drive 300, 400 kilometers, then give it to him.
We
Let
also
you
do the
drive.
same thing. Yes.
Yeah,
We also
like this.
So, are you means fond of moving or visiting different places?
Yeah, I love to visit new places, uh, uh, like different. I love hill stations first of all. I love to visit hill station. I visit every 2 or 3 months. I visited one place, one hill station anywhere. Mostly I go to the Himachal, Jaipur, and
Yeah.
all the,
Okay. So, you are very much fond of moving, of visiting.
yeah, yeah.
So,
But
means you like to see natural places
yeah,
like
I love to visit nature.
like mountains, rivers, forest.
Yeah, I also doing tracking.
It's
You can
it's very good actually. If you have a very good group actually, then you can go and you can trek for a long distance like 50 kilometers, 100 kilometers.
I'm little healthy, but I'm little healthy. You cannot judge to watch to see to judge me like you're doing tracking, but it's depend if you want to do a track, then
It doesn't
definitely.
matter actually. I don't think so because it doesn't matter if you are in habit of trekking. Even I have seen, the people go to Girraji, Girraji for परिक्रमा वो गिरिराज जी की परिक्रमा लगाने जाते हैं लोग.
Right.
Even from Delhi, from all over the country, the people go there. वो गिरिराज जी की परिक्रमा लगाते हैं ना वो वहाँ पे गिरिराज जी में. So it is also, that the distance, total distance is 21 kilometer, and people do it in 4 or 5 hours continuously. It is also
Basically, it's depend where you are going to track. Basically, if you want to walk, you can easily 20 or 30 kilometer walk. But when you talk about the tracking, it's a little tough.
yeah, please, yeah. But actually, when you are in a group,
Yeah, yeah,
and when you track and you know that on the way you have something to eat, to drink, to take rest, then you enjoy it actually.
right.
Then you are walking and you are drinking some juice, sometimes cool drink or something, and you are moving ahead, taking pictures, photographs, and all, and you are just gossiping with your friends. It's
Mhm.
really very nice time and very enjoyable, I think.
Basically, one of my best friend, you can say that, one of my best friend who lived in Himachal. Basically, he's a Pahadi guy.
Mhm.
He inspired and he will he he inspired then he come he will inspire you and uh, and you can what you say that uh, he will help you to come and how to track easily. Let's take a 15 step and take a breath and take 15, and after that little you take little step and you will get a good
Mhm. So means like, yeah, it's okay, it's good, and definitely if I visit Delhi, I would like to see you, and if it is possible, we can make a plan to go somewhere together if it is
sure
possible.
sure
Because
sure sure.
actually, it is always, it's my nature, you can say, to have the company of good people. You know,
Mhm.
because life is very short.
Right right
If you think in that way, if you think that life is very long, you may think in that way. But in my opinion, you see, now I am 51. Now I
Mhm.
am going to be 52 in September. But you see, I have passed my 52 years and I never realized that how I passed that time. So life is, very short.
Right right
It is for you to do your duties. Of course, you have to perform your duties. If you are a son, you have to, you have some responsibilities for your parents. If you are a husband, you have responsibilities for your wife, for your children, for your me. It depends on you how responsible you are, and you should complete or fulfill your
Mhm.
duties and responsibilities. And after that, you should enjoy. Everybody should enjoy each and every moment of the life, and their way of enjoying may be different. But I think most of the people, and what I think actually, when you visit different places, this is also a kind of worship. Now
Mhm.
you may ask me why. Because when you visit, because that the God is the creator of all these things. When you visit any place, any hilly area or any hill station, it is created by that Almighty.
Mhm.
When you visit that, it means you are going to appreciate that Almighty.
Right right right
When you appreciate that Almighty, this is also a kind of worship.
right
I
right
think this is my opinion. I don't know I'm wrong or right, but this is my opinion. If you visit different places and you watch natural places, forest, like rivers,
right right
river view, mountain, sunset, sun rising, lot of things. So India is a very big country and many places are there in this country to
right
visit.
right to visit
Even if we spend our whole life, we
right
cannot visit whole India.
right right
It's
I,
very beautiful. It's very beautiful.
you very beautiful
I
very beautiful.
love visiting. So, and I am fond of eating also.
Me too, but
During,
little comfort.
yeah, during visiting, I'm very much fond of eating good food. Like,
Okay.
of course, I have very simple food during traveling. I don't like to have heavy food, but I
Mhm.
have like simple dal, chawal,
Mhm.
roti, sabji, salad, and all. and juice, fruits, and all that. But I always like to have food in a very good restaurant, means restaurant or hotel or whatever. I never compromise with this. Sometimes some of my friends and colleagues, they ask me why to spend big money to stay in a big hotel. We haven't come here to stay. We have come here to visit. Why to waste money for that much costly hotel and all? But I never compromise with this, because actually I think if we are there, we have to enjoy there as a king,
Right, right.
right? We must live like a king.
Right.
We should have all kind of course I never watch television, but I must have a TV in my hotel room.
Hmm.
I must have TV.
Basically,
I
uh, we have to enjoy each and every time. If you are in your hotel, then also you have to enjoy your room,
Yes,
because you are
because you
spending.
should have a feeling that
Right.
means you are the king of the world.
I got your
Yes.
situation.
So means I should have refrigerator. Of course, you have only suppose some cold drinks, water or something that refrigerator, but you should have.
Right.
Suppose sometimes you bring some ice cream from the market and you don't want to eat it. You want to eat it in morning, and you can keep it in refrigerator, and you can have that ice cream in morning. But we should have everything with us when we are out of our home. We should feel like a very big king of the world. This is my thinking actually. I
Right.
don't know I'm wrong or right, but
Really,
yes.
it's your desire.
Yeah, because actually life, actually, you have got that life for once. You don't know
Right.
whether you are going to be born again or not. So why should we waste our time? We should enjoy it, I think. And after each 1 or 2 months, एक वो होता है ना actually, एक होता है, एक शब्द होता है कि जैसे एक वो तड़प होने लगती, languishing, but that is for positive sense, not for negative sense. That means after every 2, 1 to 2, 3 months, I start making a plan where to go now.
Same here. Same here.
And I call. And
Siki,
yes,
when you visited a very nice place, the place will call you.
yes.
That place will call you. Come over here. Come over here. Uh, you close your eyes and dreaming that, oh my god, what a view.
Yes.
Let's go over there.
Actually, and I like to travel by car.
Same here. Same
I
here.
don't like to travel by train. And then my friend, they ask me that we should go by train, we should go by plane. Why we are taking car? It is risk. We have to drive it. But I go by car. Why? Because actually, when you drive, actually, if you suppose travel by train, you are just confined to the train only. You cannot go outside, you cannot see outside scenes and sights. But when you travel by your car, you have opportunity to stop your car anywhere
Right,
and
right.
to come out of the car to see or to visit the forest or anything. You won't believe, even even if we travel in night, we stop our car on highways in night and we take photographs. It means we are that much excited always.
That's good. That's really good for the life.
And even the whole night we eat something. Not very heavy food, light food. Light food or something like snacks and something all the time and drinking some juice or something like that. So so we enjoy it, and the music is there in the car, so we are listening and gossiping on different, वो तो एक अलग ही मजा होता है उसका.
बिल्कुल right, right.
That cannot be explained in words.
And when you come back from your trip, then you need to you have to you need to take 2 or 3 days to settle on that.
Yes, because वो you are intoxicated by that, वो खुमार चढ़ा होता है ना उसका.
Right. Right.
So okay, so you will have your class on Monday.
Yeah, Monday.
Same time.
Yeah, same time. Any video or any topic?
Yeah,
Sure.
video. Don't worry, I'll send you the link. 2-3 videos links I'll send you just within 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay.
After the class, you will get the links here on your Skype.
Okay, sure.
I'll send you 2-3 links today, so you may watch these videos.
Okay,
So
sure.
you watch that 10th number. What are you doing?
10th number? No, because I was busy na.
Okay, no problem. You actually download it and you can watch it.
I have downloaded already, but I didn't watch that video.
Okay,
But
you may watch later.
I will now watch that video.
Okay,
After
I'll send you the link in 10 or 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay, no issue.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Nice to talk to you.
Thank you. See you on Monday.
Okay, see you. Thank you.